Let's make this smooth infinity zoom effect in Premiere Pro using a quick and easy workflow. Start by placing all of your video clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Now we'll shorten the clip so only 5 frames remain from each one. Keep the very first clip unchanged and begin with the second clip. Move the playhead to the point where you want that clip to start. Then press Q to trim everything before it. Next, hold Shift and press the right arrow key once to jump ahead by 5 frames. After that, press W to remove everything after those 5 frames. Repeat the exact same process for the rest of your clips. Each middle clip should only be 5 frames long, while the first and the final clips should stay at their original length. Once that's done, open the Effects panel, search for Transform, and apply the effect to the first 5-frame clip. Go to Effect Controls, place the playhead at the beginning of that clip, and add a Scale keyframe under the Transform effect. Move to the last frame of the clip and keep the scale value at 100%. Then return to the first frame and increase the scale to 200%. This creates a smooth zoom animation from 200% down to its original size. Now highlight both keyframes, right-click, and apply Ease In and Ease Out for a smoother motion. To finish everything, copy the Transform effect, select all of the remaining 5-frame clips in the middle, and press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the effect. And that's it. Your infinity zoom transition is complete and ready to use. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.